What's going on, guys? So it's the night before the car gets picked up. Figured I'd just kind of give you guys a little bit of an update or what I've done to the car. As far as the engine, there's not much going on underneath here. It says RBC intake, and then I have a engine cold air down into the bumper. Horrible headlights, don't know if they're gonna get changed. Typical aero speed, strut tower, brace, battery tied down, nothing too crazy down there. Other than that, I mean, the body's in good shape. Other than this is probably about the only bad part about this car, which if you have a RSX, you know. This and the bumpers are just horrible. Besides that, sorry, it's a little dirty. I had to wash it. We have a Borla exhaust. With the exhaust, it is Megan test pipe. Test pipe there. And then I think Megan headers as well. I honestly don't remember. Sounds bad, but it is what it is. It's been a while with this. Buying a house kind of slows everything down money-wise. As far as interior, I just have a Innovate AFR gauge. Seats are a little bit ripped. Hopefully something will change about that. I do have an AM wideband that I want to put in it. Okay, that's what I want to put in it. But other than that, the interior's, I think, decent. If I don't do any boost or anything, or any oil, and I have something that will move the AFR gauge to the AC spot, and it'll still be able to be used. As far as that, I think it's just the OEM woofer underneath the truck. I think that's about it. Like I said, it gets picked up tomorrow. Go out to San Diego. The guys out there will get it, I think, said the 27th possibly. And after that, it'll just be with them. They're going to do SEMA, and then they're going to start in on it after SEMA. So give them about 3 weeks or so, and then I will be on my way out to San Diego to, I guess, pick it up, or at least go get it revealed to me. Still don't know what they're going to do to it. I have a couple ideas of what they might be doing to it. I have not gotten any updates as far as that. I just figured I would do a short little video that I'll probably put together, put it on YouTube, and show you guys the process that I'm dealing with to get my car made over by Throtl. Dream build number 4. I'm super excited. I could not thank them enough. It's one of those I almost didn't apply. So if you guys ever think that, oh, I'm not gonna win, it can happen to you because it happened to me. That's my dream build for RSX 2002. I guess I will see what happens in the next couple months. See you guys.